headlines. Scientists have revived the dire wolf. It sounds like something straight out of a movie, but what's the real story behind these legendary creatures? Let's dive in. First off, dire wolves were absolutely real. They weren't just made up for fantasy shows. These powerful predators, scientifically known as Inoceanodires, roamed North America during the Ice Age, from about 250,000 years ago until they vanished around 13,000 years ago. So what did they look like? Imagine a gray wolf but on steroids. Dire wolves were about the same height but much heavier and more robust. They had a massive skull, bigger teeth, and an incredibly powerful bite, strong enough to crush bone and take down giant Ice Age prey like ancient bison, horses, and even giant ground sloths. Thousands of their fossils have been found in the Le Bris tar pits in California, where they often got stuck chasing their dinner. But here's the most surprising part. Despite their name, dire wolves were not closely related to the gray wolves we know today. In fact, recent genetic studies revealed a mind-blowing truth. Their family tree split from other canids nearly 6 million years ago. This means they were actually a distant cousin, more like an ancient, unique lineage of North American dogs that had no close living relatives. So if they were so tough, why did they disappear? At the end of the last ice age, the world changed dramatically. The climate warmed up, and the massive animals they relied on for food started to die out. They also faced new competition from other predators, including the ancestors of modern gray wolves. This combination of factors was just too much, and the dire wolf went extinct. Now, let's talk about this revival. A biotech company, Colossal Biosciences, has been working on something incredible. Using ancient DNA extracted from dire wolf fossils, they've been gene-editing gray wolves. They tweaked genes related to size, build, and even fur color to make them look like their extinct counterparts. The first pups from this project have been born carried by domestic dog surrogates. So, are dire wolves really back? Well, not exactly. These new pups are genetically modified gray wolves designed to resemble dire wolves. They are not 100% authentic. This has sparked a huge debate among scientists. Is this true de-extinction, or are we just creating a look-alike? The ethical questions and the potential impact on our ecosystem are massive topics of discussion. So the next time you hear about dire wolves being back, you'll know the full, complex story. They were real, magnificent Ice Age predators, and now, through a mix of amazing science and controversy, we have something that walks and looks like them once again. It's a fascinating glimpse into what the future of genetics might hold. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to share and subscribe for more deep dives into science and history. See you in the next one.